Hello, I'm Dyfed-Powys, the Police and Crime Commissioner for the Dyfed-Powys area. Welcome to my annual report for 2019-20, which is a look at progress made against my priorities during the year. This is the first time I'll be using this video format alongside the traditional paper report, so I hope you enjoy it. Separate videos have been created to look at work undertaken to accomplish each of the priorities set out in my police and crime plan. My priorities are keeping our communities safe, safeguarding the vulnerable, protecting our communities from serious threat, and connecting with communities. Further additional videos will focus on the principles which underpin these priorities. They are engaging with the public, working together, and spending money wisely. The videos will highlight some of the achievements set out in my annual report. For example, the launch of the Dyfed-Powys Offender Diversionary Scheme. This service is a new multi-agency initiative aimed at diverting low-level offenders away from the criminal justice system and reducing re-offending in our area. We have completed the CCTV project with over 145 cameras being installed in over 20 towns across the force area. I have prioritised giving young people a voice through the youth survey carried out on my behalf by Hafan Cymru, which led to a successful youth conference at Parc Yscarlets in Llanelli. I have continued to invest in essential services and community projects, and in addition to that, my team have been busy with deep dive scrutiny work. This scrutiny work has focused on topics such as looking at public contact with the police, as well as understanding factors that influence victim withdrawal. Due to the unprecedented coronavirus outbreak, the May 2020 Police and Crime Commissioner elections were postponed and are now set to take place in May 2021. This means that my time as your Police and Crime Commissioner has been extended for a further 12 months. In my Looking Ahead video, I explain what my key commitments are for the additional time I have in this role. And please let me reassure you that both my office and the force continue to work hard to deliver the best possible service for Dyfed-Powys.
To view all of our annual report videos and to read the Commissioner's report in full, please go to our website.